Today we're gonna go ahead and remove the simplex true alert, the old alarm. And we're gonna go ahead and replace the the EST Genesis speaker strobe. Of course, it's ceiling mount. Of course, we're gonna go to connect this to the back box too. We're gonna go ahead and remove the alarm. We're gonna hang up the new fire alarm speaker strobe. So let's see. We got the strobe positive, strobe negative, speaker positive, speaker negative. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and wire this up. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this thing down. Alright, now we pop off the cover. We're gonna go ahead and remove the screw out of it, since we don't even need it. Actually, you have to tighten the screw all the way. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the speaker wire and the strobe wire. Alright, let's go ahead and remove the wiring. Start off that. Now your true alert speaker strobes all removed. We're gonna go ahead and install the old speaker strobe we got. This is going to be the ceiling mount speaker strobe that we're going to wire up today. So I have the candela set on 75 and the speaker to allow its volume. Let's do it. Alright, got batteries connected. So I did not have the speaker hooked up right now. I had a hard time. Take 20, no, maybe 30 minutes to wire up the speaker. But instead of wiring the speaker, I have wire up the strobe. But anyways, here we go. No, this one actually does flash slow. Alright, this one works. Alright, y'all. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment and subscribe. And thank you for 1.6 thousand K subscribers.